All right, so they were asking about the weather for Lewis and Auburn tomorrow, where the ride kicks off. In better shape than it could have been.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. I think along the southern coast tomorrow morning, a little dicier, but the location there is helping us.
That's a big help.
For sure, yeah. There will be clouds around. There's a look at the radar where we've got a couple of showers floating towards the coastline here. You know, it's been a situation where we've had a lot of rain offshore for 2 days. We haven't gotten a lot of that onshore, though. This morning we had a little bit along the southern coast, but you can see this batch right here looking more promising as it's drifting to the west towards York and Cumberland County, so we'll see more showers through this late afternoon, early evening. The bigger mess of rain is staying to our south and southeast along with that coastal low, but some of these are kind of breaking off, you can see, into Maine, some of them being eaten away by low-level dry air, but others are making it down as showers. So the models do put a pretty good shove of showers in here over the next few hours from Rockland south to about Kittery, and those will be off and on showers. They shouldn't be especially heavy because a lot of them do dry up a bit as they move onshore. You go farther inland though, and I don't really see many showers around tonight. And as they were asking about through tomorrow morning, so here we are 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, there are showers over York County, perhaps even into Cumberland County, but then we kind of cut it off after that. Temperatures in the 50s. A lot of clouds, I think, through the first half of the day. Should be able to get more sun in the second half of the day, but we're struggling, you can see, with showers down through York County through the late morning hours, and then we all clear out to a mixture of sun and clouds for the late afternoon. Sunday looks like the better of the 2 weekend days. There will be cloud cover around there too, but I think there's more breaks of sun, and we start dry. Temperatures in the mid-60s on Sunday, and then into Monday, kind of the same deal. We've got a couple of dry days there Monday into Tuesday that look good. That's as high pressure is pushing this low away. It pushes it away, but it doesn't do so kind of forcefully. It just nudges it, and that's why we've got this clouds around over the weekend, because that low is around and there's another low off to our north and west, so it's just kind of mucky up there in the atmosphere. Now, as we go into next week, Monday and Tuesday look good. The models start to diverge in a big way Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The European model gives us a legit almost 2-day rainstorm, which may not sound great for you and your life, but actually would be good because we do have a drought that has been building along the coastline. That being said, the GFS American model does not have that storm at all, so we're going to have to give it another day and see how that plays out. You know, normally I like the European model at this range, and that's why I have trended towards it. You see more clouds around through the end of the week. If the GFS is correct, though, you will add 10 to 12 degrees to those temperatures, and we will get rid of the rain showers. I like the Euro, but I also realize that we've had a really hard time connecting on rain recently, so there's a little bit of that baked into the forecast. Again, by tomorrow, we should have a better idea where that's going.
And Sunday, fall.
Yeah, I know. You love
Real
it.
deal.
You love it.
All smiles
a
there.
smirk there.
All right. Keith, thank you.